In this digital age, it's never been easier to make money. With so many online opportunities available, side hustling can help you earn extra cash without having to spend a lot of time doing so or having a stable full-time job. While working second jobs doesn't usually pay anything like a normal full-time job, they do offer some decent supplemental income that can come in handy when you need an extra piece of scratch on a given weekend or during the off-season between seasons of your varsity sports team. If you're tired of always being the one who has to come up with ideas to keep your friends and family from constantly nagging you for money, here are 7 side hustles that can help you make money fast while also giving you something to do with your extra time. Run a blog. While blogging may not seem like an obvious way to earn money, you can actually make decent money with it. If you have some writing experience or are an avid user of social media, you can create a blog to share your ideas and experiences with the world. While you'll likely start off with a small audience and low monthly earnings, it's a good way to test the waters for what you're good at. Also, as you continue to learn and improve your writing, you can add more and more to your blog as time goes by. If you want to get started but aren't sure where to begin, we've got a guide to help you get your blog off the ground. Drop shipping. Still don't know what to do with all those old t-shirts, hoodies, and other items lying around your house? You can turn them into a profitable business. As the name suggests, drop shipping is a way for you to start selling goods online. All you have to do is own the goods, find wholesale suppliers to deal with the actual production of the goods, then sell the products to your customers online. This requires a little more effort than most online businesses, but if you have the right products and a little marketing know-how, it can provide decent earnings. You'll probably need to invest some cash to get started, but it can be a good way to diversify your income and start making some cash on the side. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is when you sign a contract with a company that allows you to promote their products and earn a percentage of the sales that your readers make. There are thousands of affiliate programs to choose from, so feel free to search for one that's a good fit for your audience and products. Once you've signed up with an affiliate network, you can begin promoting the goods and earn a percentage of the sales that your readers make. Some affiliate networks have strict rules about what you can and can't do with your links and how you can promote your products, so it's best to do your research and join an affiliate network that meets your needs. Create and sell art and craft products. If you have any artistic talent or can find a way to turn it into a product, you can earn some extra side cash by selling your wares online. All you have to do is find a way to package your skill into a product. While the best way to do this is to start with items like t-shirts that are already easily sold online, you can also find ways to add value to everyday items like mugs, notebooks, and other objects. Depending on your skill set, you can add value in a variety of ways, from designing or printing your own mugs to adding custom artwork to notebooks. Once you've found a path to profitable small batch production, you can join a marketplace like eBay or Etsy to start selling your products to the public. Start an online business. While there are plenty of ways to earn a little extra cash through side hustles, one of the best ways to make money is to start your own business. An online business doesn't have to be something that you sell as a service, either. You can also create a membership site or an online course to sell to the public, for example. Once you have your business in place, you can start looking for ways to monetize it. Many businesses make a hefty amount of money through affiliate marketing, so be sure to look into this option before you start selling your product or membership. The best way to make money is to look at your business as a whole, not specific areas of it, and to find ways to monetize it as a whole. Sell eBay and Craigslist items. Buying goods from online marketplaces like eBay or Craigslist is a great way to earn some extra cash. There are 2 ways you can do this. The first is to buy your goods in bulk and sell them at retail prices or make a profit on them by selling them at retail prices. The second is to buy goods at wholesale and sell them at retail. Wholesale is the price sellers pay for goods before they've been marked up from their original price. By selling at retail prices, you've cut out the middleman and are selling your goods to the public for the full price that they're worth. If you have items lying around that you don't use anymore or would like to make a little extra cash, this is a great way to earn some extra cash. Write and publish an ebook. If you have a story or an idea that people would be interested in reading, you can always turn it into a book. There are plenty of online platforms that can help you publish your book and sell it online, so you can make some money on the side by publishing a book. If you're interested in writing an ebook, there are plenty of platforms that will help you to do so. There are a number of websites out there that offer different services related to writing and publishing, and you can choose the one that best suits your needs and your demand. You will have to pay a fee in order to publish an ebook, and you will also have to pay a fee in order to sell your book online. Conclusion. There are plenty of ways to make money on the side and earn a little extra cash. Whether you want to start an online business, sell your goods at retail prices, or turn a skill into a product, there are plenty of ways to make some extra cash and start making some money on the side. The best way to make money is to start your own business, look at your business as a whole, and find ways to monetize it.